Welcome to my channel and welcome to the second episode about ACE Studio. I am preparing a sort of free course about ACE Studio. This episode is only about the setting and a big news, the new feature that introduced the VST plugin directly in ACE Studio. Alright, let's open ACE Studio and take a look at this new feature right away, the plugin scanning. As you can see, the system is currently detecting all the plugins installed on my computer. There was one plugin that doesn't work, so I simply closed to skip it. Right now, ACE Studio is scanning every plugin available on my system, and in my case, that's more than 1000 plugins. Of course, this process takes a little while. I have speed up the footage here because I didn't want to make you see through the entire scanning process in real time. But don't worry, this only happens the first time you run it. Once the scan is complete, all your plugins will be registered inside the software, just like in any modern DAW. Now, the first thing I want to show you is how to configure the audio setting. Is a normal DAW you need to set your audio interface. We also have this new plugin section right here, along with the update section. For this demonstration, I have prepared a simple MIDI example. In this particular video, I won't play any audio because this is just a preparatory lesson for the course. What we can finally do now is go to the Insert section and load any plugin that's installed on our system. For example, let's add a reverb. I'll choose Arturia's Rev LX24. And boom, my reverb is now loaded and ready to use. So the new VST support open a big new possibilities in ACE Studio, because now you can load directly in ACE Studio your plugin. So for example, EQ, compressor, reverb, etc. And I remember that you can get a special discount if you want to buy ACE Studio. So go to the description and get the coupon code. So because I'm in progress with the video, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss an episode. So at the next video, bye!